Welcome to Wellness Signal Hub, your daily guide to smarter, safer living. Have you ever thought about the silent heroes inside you, working 24/7, your kidneys? They're like the world's most advanced filtration system, tirelessly cleaning your blood, removing toxins, and keeping your entire body in perfect balance. But what happens when these crucial organs start to struggle? Your body doesn't stay silent. It sends out warning signals, subtle whispers that can turn into loud alarms if ignored. Today, we're tuning into those whispers. We'll uncover 7 early signs that your kidneys might be in trouble, signals you absolutely should not ignore. Paying attention now could be the most important thing you do for your health all year. So, what's the very first sign? It's something many of us brush off as just a part of modern life: persistent fatigue and low energy. We're not talking about feeling a little tired after a long day. This is a deep, bone-weary exhaustion that doesn't go away, even after a full night's sleep. When your kidneys are healthy, they produce a hormone called erythropoietin, or EPO, which tells your body to make oxygen-carrying red blood cells. But when kidney function declines, they produce less EPO. Fewer red blood cells mean less oxygen delivered to your muscles and brain. This is what leads to that drained, sleepy, and mentally foggy feeling. It's your body's way of whispering that your internal purification system isn't running at full capacity, leaving toxins to build up and sap your strength. The second signal is all about what you see in the toilet bowl. Changes in your urination patterns are one of the most direct clues your kidneys can give you. Your kidneys are the master regulators of your body's fluid and waste. When they struggle, things can get a little unpredictable. You might find yourself waking up multiple times during the night to go to the bathroom, or maybe you notice your urine looks foamy or bubbly, almost like scrambled eggs. This can be a sign that protein, which should be kept in your blood, is leaking out through your kidneys' damaged filters. Another red flag is a change in color. If your urine is consistently pale, it could mean your kidneys can't concentrate waste properly. On the other hand, if it's dark yellow, brown, or even reddish, it might indicate blood in the urine. Don't just flush and forget. These changes are important messages. Let's move on to the third signal: swelling in your ankles, feet, or hands. This is a classic sign of fluid retention, also known as edema. Healthy kidneys are experts at balancing sodium and fluid levels in your body. When they can't keep up, excess sodium causes fluid to build up in your tissues. Gravity often pulls this extra fluid down to your lower extremities, which is why you might first notice your socks leaving deep imprints on your ankles or your shoes suddenly feeling tight. It can also affect your hands and face. If you find your rings are harder to get on and off, or you wake up with a puffy face, your kidneys might be struggling to expel that excess fluid. This isn't just a cosmetic issue. It's a physical sign that your body's drainage system is backed up. The fourth signal might surprise you because it appears on your skin. We're talking about persistent dryness and itching. Healthy kidneys do more than just filter waste. They also maintain the correct balance of minerals and nutrients in your blood, which is vital for skin health. When your kidneys fail to maintain this delicate balance, particularly with minerals like phosphorus and calcium, it can lead to severe and relentless itching. This isn't just a simple dry patch you can fix with lotion. It's a deep systemic itch that comes from within because waste products are building up in your bloodstream and irritating your nerve endings. So if you're constantly scratching and can't find relief, your skin might be trying to tell you that the problem lies deeper with your kidneys. Signal number 5 is another one you might see first thing in the morning: puffy eyes. This condition, known as periorbital edema, is one of the earliest and most visible signs of kidney trouble. It happens for a specific reason: protein leakage. Your kidneys contain millions of tiny filtering units called glomeruli. When these filters are damaged, they can allow a significant amount of protein, especially albumin, to escape from your blood into your urine. Albumin acts like a sponge, keeping fluid inside your blood vessels. When you lose too much of it, fluid can leak out into the surrounding tissues, and the soft, delicate area around your eyes is one of the first places it collects. So, if you wake up looking like you've gone 10 rounds in a boxing ring, it might be more than just a bad night's sleep. Our sixth signal involves your muscles. Frequent muscle cramps and restless legs. Your kidneys are crucial for regulating electrolytes like calcium, potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium. These minerals are essential for proper nerve and muscle function. When kidney function declines, these electrolytes can become imbalanced. For example, low calcium or high phosphorus levels can lead to muscle cramping, twitching, or spasms. You might also experience restless leg syndrome, that uncomfortable creeping sensation in your legs that gives you an irresistible urge to move them, especially at night. These aren't just random aches and pains. They are a direct result of the electrical signaling in your body going haywire due to the mineral imbalance caused by poorly functioning kidneys. Finally, the seventh signal can directly affect your enjoyment of food: a loss of appetite and a metallic taste in your mouth. As kidney function deteriorates, waste products, particularly one called urea, build up in the blood. This condition is known as uremia. This buildup of toxins can completely change the way food tastes and smells. You might find that your favorite meals suddenly taste bland or, more commonly, have a persistent bitter or metallic flavor, almost like you have a mouthful of coins. This can lead to a significant loss of appetite, food aversions, and even nausea. It's a very clear sign that your body is overloaded with waste that your kidneys are no longer able to filter out effectively. So, if you recognize any of these 7 signals in yourself, please don't panic, but more importantly, don't ignore them. Your body is asking for help. The good news is, there are powerful steps you can take to support your kidney health right now. Start by staying well hydrated with water throughout the day. Cut back on processed foods, which are often loaded with salt and phosphorus that stress your kidneys. Instead, fill your plate with kidney-friendly foods like fresh fruits, leafy greens, and whole grains. If you have high blood pressure or diabetes, managing them is absolutely critical, as they are the 2 leading causes of kidney disease. And most importantly, schedule an appointment with a healthcare professional. Simple blood and urine tests can assess your kidney function and give you a clear picture of what's going on. Early detection is your best defense. Your kidneys may be silent workers, but they always send signals when something is wrong. By learning to listen to these early warnings and acting wisely, you can take control and protect one of your body's most vital systems. Thank you for joining us at Wellness Signal Hub. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more health awareness content. Remember, listen to the signals. Live well.